Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Yesterday we had started lesson number 6. What was the name of our lesson? The name of our lesson was announcement. How announcements are given in the schools, correct? And from that we studied 5 to 6 announcement, I think, yeah, correct? How many announcements we have studied? We have studied 4 to 5 announcements. Which are those? First announcement was made by head boy and head girl, correct? First announcement was made by whom? Head boy and head girl. Second announcement was of second announcement is made of school getting over at 2 o'clock as there is PTA. Third announcement is that there is a football match on the ground and those who are interested they should be present on the Sunday. After that is storytelling competition will be held in the school and topics names are given, and then you have to prepare for your story, and then you have to come in the school and tell your story. Next one is construction work to extend the school building will start next week. All students are cautioned not to cross over the fence at the construction site. It is dangerous and may cause you injury. Please stay away from that fence. Fence means what? Compound is made, and school buildings construction is extended. Extended means what? What is told that school building will start next week, and the work construction work to extend. Extend means what? Some work is going on and it is going to extend for some days, and that work where school building construction is going on, what you have to do? You have to be away from the fence. Fence means what? Compound which is made over there. You have to be away from that fence. No one should enter inside the compound. Are you getting or not? That was what? That was one announcement. Last announcement which is given here is a cycle key with a blue keychain has been found on the ground. Whoever has lost it can contact the clerk, Mrs. Nina Pinto, and see if it belongs to him or her. There is a cycle key which is found on the ground, and whoever student is coming by bicycle, and if you have lost your key, please go and collect it from Mrs. Nina Pinto. In this way, what is done? Announcements are given in the mic during assemblies. Then teachers go in the classroom and then give announcement. In this way, how many announcements we have studied? Yesterday we studied 4 announcements and today we studied 2 announcements. 4 plus 2, how many announcements did we study? We studied 6 announcements. And here remaining part of the exercise, nothing is given, only yesterday I told you. One suitable announcement you have to select, and whatever suitable announcement you will fill, on that announcement what you have to do? You have to write down 4 to 5 lines. Understood? Headings were given: change in school hours, cleanliness, storytelling competition, lost and found, warning, football match, anyone. There are 6, 3 are this side and 3 are this side. You have to select any one topic, and then on that you have to write an announcement. Okay, in this way we have completed our lesson number 6. Today we are going to start with 7th lesson. The name of our lesson is Major Dhyan Chand. What is name of our lesson? Major Dhyan Chand. Now who is this Major Dhyan Chand? You will say, ma'am, he is a person. Yes, I know he is a person, but then what does work he do? Okay, or what work he does? He is a hockey player and he is very much famous personality of India, and in his memorable or in his memories we have something in our country that I will tell you further. If you will read lesson, you will understand what is given in the lesson. Okay, now what I am going to do, I will read first 2 paragraphs and then I will explain you what is there in the lesson. Major Dhyan Chand. Okay, take out your book, English Bal Bharati book, page number 16, lesson number 7, Major Dhyan Chand. Saturday 15th August 1936, it was the day of the hockey finals during the Olympic events held in Berlin, Germany. Germany had defeated several teams to enter the finals against the Indian team. They were the host of the Olympics and they were sure of their victory. Perhaps that was the reason why their ruler Hitler had himself come to watch the match. Now what is there? The Germany is a team, hockey team, and no one had defeated that team. Which team? Germany team. Germany team was the best team in the hockey, and who came in finals against Germany? Indian team was against Germany, and they were very much sure. They were knowing that we are going to win, and one plus point was there with them, that this hockey match was played where? It was played in Berlin, in their hometown, right or not? In Germany, what was there? Match was there on which date? 15th August 1936, and then they entered into finals. Germany entered into finals, Indians also entered into finals, but they were too much confident. Who were confident? Germany team was very much confident, and Hitler, correct or not? Ruler Hitler, at that time Hitler was very famous. He is called most angriest person, okay? And then Hitler was very much sure that the team of Germany will have victory in the hockey match. So he himself went. He went personally to watch what? He went personally to watch finals. Then what happened in finals now? All the day before, I'm reading second paragraph. Take out your page number 16. Is it visible or what? Let me see. No. Okay, fine. All the day before, it had rained heavily. The entire field had become waterlogged. What is meaning of waterlogged? Waterlogged means full of water. Waterlogged. Full of water. Everywhere there is water. So here it is told that all the day before it had rained heavily. एक दिवस अगोदर काय झालं? आदल्या दिवशी काय झालं? खूप सारा पाऊस झाला. Where? At Berlin. Where that playground was there, it rained very heavily over there. Then what happened? The entire field had become waterlogged. सगळीकडे पाणी, full of water it was. Then what happened? But 15th August, being the last day of the games, it was not possible to postpone the match any further. The Indian team was a little under pressure as they had lost to Germany in the practice match and they were not very comfortable with the wet ground. Now what happened? It rained one day before, it rained at the field in Berlin, and then all Indian teams, players of Indian team were in pressure. Why? When there was an practice match taken 2 days before, which team won the match? Indian team won the match, okay? And then they were a little uncomfortable with the field. Field म्हणजे काय? जो ग्राउंड असतो जिथे हॉकी खेळतात, ओके? जिथे हॉकी खेळतात तो जो ग्राउंड असतो त्या ग्राउंडवरती ते एवढे कम्फर्टेबल नव्हते, त्यांना एवढं खास खेळता नाही आलं, ओके? अँड इट वॉज नॉट कम्फर्टेबल. सो अँड वन डे बिफोर, आदल्या दिवशी नेमका पाऊस झाला. इट रेन्ड वन डे बिफोर. सो दे वर इन लिटिल प्रेशर. प्रेशर मीन्स वॉट? They were little in tension. Then what happened further? About 40,000 people had gathered in the hockey stadium to chase Germany against India. As match was in Germany, there were some Indians also who went from India, and there were some Indians who were staying in Germany. They also went to see the match, but here it is told that there were 40,000 people who were, what they were doing? They were gathered in hockey stadium to cheer which team? To cheer Germany. ते कोणत्या टीमला सपोर्ट करायला गेले होते तिथे? जर्मनीतले जेवढे पीपल होते दे वेंट टू सपोर्ट जर्मनी टीम. अगेन्स्ट विच टीम? अगेन्स्ट इंडियन टीम. आपल्या इंडियातले प्लेयर्स तिथे गेले होते खेळायला. ओके. जर्मनी इज पार्ट ऑफ विच कॉन्टिनेंट? जर्मनी इज पार्ट ऑफ युरोप कॉन्टिनेंट. देर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स: एशिया, आफ्रिका, युरोप, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साऊथ अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया अँड अंटार्क्टिका. 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्समधून our India is in which continent? Our India is in Asia continent. And then Germany is in which continent? Germany is in Europe continent. Understood? So 40,000 people were cheering which team? 40,000 people were cheering Germany team. Against which team? Against Indian team. Then what happened further? It is told that the Maharaja of Baroda state, the Prince of Bhopal and a few other Indians had also come to support the Indian team. Now some people went from India also. The Maharaja of Baroda state, he was a prince. Maharaja means what? He was a king of Baroda, and the Prince of Bhopal also, and some few Indians went from India to Berlin. In which country? In Germany country, to support which team? To support Indian team. Understood? Have you understood first 3 paragraphs? In this way we have completed first 3 paragraphs, and today's homework which you are going to do is you have to open your English workbook. Okay, and I will write down the first 3 question answers and name the following. I will write down this question answers of these questions, and answers of second question I will send you photo on WhatsApp group, and you have to write down C answers on WhatsApp group and write down in your English workbook. It is page number 21. Understood? Are you getting? Okay. Remaining part of the lesson we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay. Thank you.